Office of the Director of the Government of Examination Telangana, Hyderabad. The big update is the SSC result press note. It is released on 29th April 2026. It is informed that the result of the public examination March 2006 Telangana will be released on 29 April 2006 at 2 p.m. at the Godavari Auditorium, the ground floor SCRT campus opposite LB Stadium, Basirbagh, Hyderabad. The result will be released by Sri Kesharao Garu, Honorable Advisory to the Government of Telangana, Srimati Yogita Rana IAS Garu, the Principal Secretary to the Government, and the Dr. E. Navin Nicholas IAS Garu, Director of School Education. It will participate in the program. The students can access their result on the following website is resulttelangana.org and result bsctelangana.gov.in and bsctelangana.gov.in, schooledu.telangana.gov.in. It is a very important press note. The big note is the releasing of SSC public examinations on 29th April at 2 p.m.